road on the left. It's just after where the bus is. Is the bus loading? Is it going to be moving off? Because we're turning left shortly after, so if you check and put a left signal on now, it shows the bus nice and early. Slow. Come back in. Good. Get straight. Look left. Round the curb. Eyes up. Do you understand all of that?
Yeah.
We put the left signal on really early to show the bus, and what did the bus do with his move off? He held back correctly. Yeah. Nice work by the bus driver as well, and good job by yourself. Well done. Wasn't easy that either, was it?
No.